So guys, Cricket support for the new Apple Watch Series 3. Is it possible? Let's talk about it. Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode on Eddie Blotnicki III. And on this channel, I'm typically talking tech. And today, we're going to be talking about Apple Watch Series 3 support on the Cricket Wireless network. And guys, we're going to dive right into that here. So I actually, before this video, I made a call directly to Cricket customer care. So let's listen in on that call just briefly here.
Sure. I'll get one of our best folks. Just a sec. Oh, and by the way, the lawyers wanted me to tell you that your call might be monitored or recorded.
I'm wondering if you guys support the new Apple Watch, the Apple Watch Series 3, if I can add it to my account.
Okay, Edward, can you please let me know your phone number? I'm sorry. Thank you very much.
Yep.
And also very nice to meet you, Edward.
Yeah.
Okay, right now, actually, we do not support on regards of the Apple Watches.
Okay.
To be honest with you, that's not something that we are capable of right now. Like, you cannot have two SIM cards with the same phone number.
Okay.
But maybe you can have or find a way to connect your phone with the Apple Watch. You can try to see if Apple can give you a solution about that.
Okay, so you guys don't have any plans on like adding that as like a feature where I can use my Apple Watch and not have my phone around?
No,
Correct?
we don't have it right now.
Okay,
No.
but do you know if there's any plans on getting something like that, or you're not sure?
I'm pretty sure that we're working on it because a lot of people have been asking about it.
Okay.
But right now they haven't given us an answer yet.
So guys, as you heard, there's a lot of people calling and asking about this. So if you guys continue to call and ask them, eventually they can push this through even further. But I went on to Apple's website here and just going over the things on what you need. You need the watch with the red dot there. That shows you have the cellular capability. iPhone 6 or later, an eligible cellular service plan with a supported carrier. The iPhone and Apple Watch must use the same carrier, and you must be within your carrier's network. So let's real quickly here go into the eligible service plan with the supported carrier. So we've got the watches here, like I said, with the red dot. The Series 3 editions all across the board. And supported carriers right down here, guys. So we've got AT&T, which honestly, Cricket is AT&T, but they're a prepaid carrier. So Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon Wireless. So let's go down. You got to look for those asterisks there. Let's take a look and see. Right here. Wireless service plan required for cellular service. Apple Watch and iPhone service provider must be the same. Not available with all service providers. Not all service providers support enterprise accounts. Check with your employer and service provider. Some legacy plans may not be compatible. Prepaid plans are not supported. So as you can see right here, that is almost a telltale sign as of right now. But if we go on into the iPhone here, it says currently Cricket does not support the Apple Watch. Currently. And after the phone call with Cricket representative, she told me that they're getting lots of calls and people wanting this to happen. So guys, if enough people push, changes can happen. So at this time, guys, I just wanted to make this video because this is a pretty popular topic. And to be honest with you here, I believe that the prepaid carriers, especially for AT&T and Cricket, I think it would honestly drive more business, because I'm sure that there's people that aren't switching to prepaid because they don't support the Apple Watch. Now, when I say support, I can still make and receive calls from the Apple Watch Series 3. You just have to have your phone around. I'm talking about you leave your phone at home and you just carry your watch and you can make and receive calls without your phone. So guys, sounds like hopefully it'll be on the way soon. So that's it. That's all I got for you in today's video, guys. Stay tuned to the channel, and if this is your first time possibly tuning into one of my videos, I encourage you to go ahead and check out the rest of my YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, feel free to give me a thumbs down. Engagement nonetheless. So if you have any questions for me, drop them down in the comments section. I look forward to hearing from you. And guys, like I always say, don't forget to subscribe as well. If you check out my channel and like where I'm going, like the kind of content, I'm always keeping it real here on the channel. With that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more tech all across the board. Other cell phone carriers. I got stuff to talk about pretty soon. So, all right, guys. And until next time.